Letters to the Editor is an author-driven podcast created and directed by Enrique Stuyck Roma, a journalist, lawyer and entrepreneur from Madrid. Enrique holds a Guinness World Record for his letters to the editor and has had 10,000 letters published in 70 Spanish newspapers. In this podcast, we will read a letter a day for a whole year selected from his books Ocurrencias, Witticisms, Reflections on Life. The title of today's letter is Flying Like Birds. For some time now, I've been thinking that I should come up with something truly brilliant, an invention that could be both useful and lasting. I wouldn't mind leaving this world without having ever planted a tree, but I couldn't forgive myself if I never created something remarkable for humankind, such as wings, so we could fly like birds. This letter was published in one newspaper in August 2022. Discover more episodes at letterstotheeditor.com and remember to subscribe and rate the podcast on your favourite platform. Podcast produced by Jorge Marín e Ove Productora. Letters translated by Ana Marchena. Branding and visual identity by Samuel Ferrer, Quinton Brands. Editing by Margot Martin. Readings by Susanna Galan.